This is how to check if a load is broken when several loads are connected in a single phase function. Press the M key for 3 seconds and push the down key at OP-S to change on to off at 3 pH, then push the up key. Press the A key at 3 pH and set L1 to on, L2 to off, L3 to off. L1, single-phase control mode is completed. Press the M key with the A key for 3 seconds. Push the A key 5 times at OC. Press the down key twice at DLF-A. Press the A key at Enable and set 3 at DLI-T. Press the A key to set AL1 at RLY-O. Press the M key for 3 seconds and push the A key 10 times at OP-S. Press the down key and push the A key at Start. Press the A key to change from 2 to 3 at LO_C. Press the A key at LO_C and set 100.0% at LIM-O. Press the A key at LIM-O and set 1 at UP_T. Press the A key at UP_T and set 0 at DN_T. Press the A key at Start and change from off to SD_on, then press the M key. Output is up to 100%. While heaters are under control, one of loads is disconnected with decreasing current. Finally, SPRM displays DLF alarm.